like a 90s tourist at Italy. Slight ground issue. Combobulator's busted.
Because I think this has a couple engines on it. It has a gasoline engine and a microwave engine.
Yeah, you need some new blinker fluid.
Oh shoot. Oh yeah, this is cracked. That's cracked. I bet all the blinker fluid leaked out.
Two hobos fix a 50-year-old Italian motorcycle.
We're draining gasoline. I think it's slowing down. The tank could be in better shape,
Could be in worse.
but I think it could be much worse with shape. I think we might be all right. At least, man, that side of the tank looks beautiful. Yep. Maybe it's second now. Maybe. What is it doing? Oh, I think I'm in fourth.
Up all the way and then down one. Your battery's at 5%. I think it really needs that plate.
Yeah.
Second? I don't know what gear I was in.